Hello friends, look at this chart, Gujarat gas today. So from this first candle, so the stock is keep on moving higher and making the peak at the end of the day. And some more stocks like Bank of Baroda. So let me go for a Bank of Baroda. At this point of 11:15, you can look at this 11:15. Here it is a trend change. And finally, that stock also going to move the top. Okay, so one more stock on the same time frame is about Punjab National Bank. So let me look at this PNB and the trend reversal. At this point, 11:45, this stock may be stop loss triggered. And even more stock which we can find out the same time frame Britannia. So look at this Britannia from that point around 10:45 maybe here, and it was a quite consecutive move. So this is what a scanner we can find out or we can create in this video to find out a 15 minutes the reversal stocks or a trend continuation pattern by using a charting scanner. This video I'm going to create the scanner with a backtest report we can discuss in this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And I'm Bala here. Thank you for joining this session. Okay, so this is what one of the charting scanners which we can create for 15 minutes trend reversal. Maybe at this point of 10:45, next 15 minutes the market will high. Okay, so maybe we can use as a 15 minutes breakout scanner. So let me open our charting scanner. So let me create that one on a 15 minutes time frame basis. I'm going to discuss in the previous 15 minutes. We are going to find out such a stock along with open low and some other conditions which I'm going to make here. And don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. And it is a custom scanner. I don't provide you the scan here. Okay, so if you wish to learn, so you can go for it. I'm going to use the future stock and I'm simply using a closing price. That is, I'm just going to create a very quicker manner, 15 minutes, close price, and that should be greater than equal to bracket. Here I'm going to use the low of 15 minutes along with I'm adding that low plus the range. That is what the custom one. So the bracket again I'm just adding. So the range here it's a custom indicator. It will not available in your thing. So this is one which we are created by custom one. Okay. So that 15 minutes here on this case 15 minutes and we can divide by number 3. So this is what the conditions which I'm going to call for the scanner. Okay, look at this. Instead of taking a current 15 minutes, we can use a previous one to get the exact result. Okay, the confirmations result. Okay, previous one. So everything is okay. So first of all, we save the scan on the test. Okay, so if you are running a so lot of stocks, so this much of stocks we don't want to go for even a futures, and intellectual will be removed from futures. Okay, this is what a first line. So let me go for iBull, Tata Power, Tata Chemical, whatever the stock which is in the top. So maybe till end of the day. So the minus 15 minutes which you are used. Okay, so maybe previous candle. Let me go for NTPC. Previous 15 minutes candle, but we don't have a time to continues. Okay, so let me go for one more thing. So maybe any stock which is happening. So you can look at this how many stocks which is happening here around 9:15. So today 9:15. So we have a lot of stock ABB, Atul, Bajaj Finance. So if you get Bajaj Finance, let us go higher. So this is what was 15 minutes, but instead of moving higher, it was moved down. So I don't want such a thing which I'm going to avoid. So the first line we completed, and let me go for a second line, the same condition which we are going to use it for. And in this case, I'm going to same factors and I'm comparing with the open price. Okay, so if I am filtering out those conditions, we are going to get the limited, the stock is limited 9:15. Same here, huge number of stocks. So we need to filter out that stocks by using one more condition. The same one with open and low we are using, and this time we are going to use for the open or close. Maybe close, it must be less than or equal to in like that open. So we are comparing open price along with the two different criteria. Okay, so if I run this, only few stocks. Got it? Very few number of stocks which we find out. So this is what a scanner. Let me go for today. What are the stock at 9:15 NMDC? Let me go for NMDC at 9:15. What's happening? And NMDC, maybe here is the first 15 minutes. After that, it was moving lower. Okay, so what I'm going to add it here, we can change some conditions. And sorry, here we need to change a condition. It should be not a positive one, it should be a negative one. So if you run the scan, we may not get any stocks. Let me go to check the back test. What I'm exactly looking for. What's happening? No stocks will be filtered. Okay, what's where we made a mistake? Everything is right. No problem. So we can add the candle. What? Open. We can able to find out any. Why no stocks will be shown here. So one of the scanner which I'm going to create. Yeah, so 15 minutes low. Sorry, here we have to hide from highest level. Okay. This is conditions 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's run this. Any stocks will be there. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so without open low, so if you run, we got a many stocks. You can see how many stocks we got it. So this much of stocks in an intraday or in short-term trading, we can't find out. But we have to do to filter out if any stocks is forming a open low along with this particular conditions, and maybe a stocks which we going to focus. You can see now very limited number of stocks, and today 9:15 is about Gujarat gas. That one which I shown you earlier in this beginning of this video, Gujarat gas 15 minutes. Look at this, the point where it is forming a open low, and also that four filters which is satisfied, and from here it moves zooms, and that was a great move from Gujarat gas. Let me look at this some other stocks, and next around 9:45, 9:15, 9:45 is about Cummins India and IRCTC. So let me go for a Cummins India 9:45, 28. So from that point, after that high is broken or by the closing, maybe that 15 minutes low is my stop loss. Meanwhile, here is the one trade which is triggered from that level too, and it went up to huge from the top. Okay, IRCTC. One more scanner. So simply the 15 minutes time frame IRCTC around 9:45. Maybe this one triggers your stop loss, maybe it triggers high and immediately that 15 minutes low is broken. But after that it was moving higher. That's a different issue. Okay, by using the scanner, we are filtering out for a 15 minutes breakout. The same thing, Cummins India around 10:15. Cummins India around 10:15 is the where the time frame is about 9:15, 10:15. So from this point also it's moving, and we got it around 9:45. So 15 minutes breakout scanner simply we are going to create with the charting scanner. And this is what a condition Britannia that we have seen Britannia. The one more thing, and from that point 10:45, look at this time 10:45. So from this point and it forming a open low candle, maybe a clue for a trend reversal. From that point of 4875 it went up to 4905. So almost 30 points in 1 hour. That's a good enough in intraday. So it's purely for an intraday strategy. Bank of Baroda, PNB that we have discussed on, and one more stock which is triggers at this point is Indigo around 12:15. Is there any opportunity Indigo at 12:15? So yeah, that is also another great opportunity. Maybe this scan will work for a real market. It never repaints. Okay, so because of the conditions we created it, and maybe the stock which we can use for this scanner which we can use for a for an intraday trading and the 15 minutes breakout scanner that we can use for to screening a stock. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, and if you like this scanner, also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this.